So can you tell me how the Easy Weight Loss Programme works?
Sure. You come along for the initial consultation, we have a chat about where the main problem is for you. And there are two ways we can help. One is with hypnoanalysis alongside the Easy Loss Programme, and the other way is with suggestion therapy. And depending on what your particular symptoms are, we decide between us what's the best type of therapy for you. Once we start with the hypnosis side of it, that's very straightforward, and I do that without any input from you. But with the Easy Loss Programme, we actually go through that at a conscious level, and each week we take it a step at a time, and we deal with all the issues around weight loss and why you might be finding certain parts of the programme difficult, which bits you're finding easier, and I tweak the hypnosis accordingly at each session. But basically it's a programme, it's a way of eating, a set of guidelines that I give you. I mean, you don't have to diet anymore, and kind of frees you from that diet mentality.
I understand you've just launched a new programme, the Gastric programme. Can you tell me how that works?
Yeah, we've been working towards virtual gastric band surgery for quite some time, and we've recently really started to practice this in a big way. Basically, it's for people with a BMI of 30 plus that are really finding it difficult to shift the weight, that really want to do something radical, and are, for one reason or another, can't have physical surgery or wouldn't want to have the physical gastric band surgery. It's a really effective therapy. It's a gastric band operation, if you like, virtually under hypnosis.
So I understand you're going to be doing initial consultation through Skype. How's that going to work?
We are. We've just started actually, and it's proven very successful. We have a lot of clients who want to come and see us. Either they live a long distance away in the UK, or indeed, they live abroad. They don't have a lot of time once they come into the UK, so they don't want to use up appointments for the initial consultation in the conscious part of the programme. So what I actually do is do those initial appointments over Skype. We arrange at a time, and I can be available all hours of the day and night, so the time differences in the different countries really isn't a problem. I do the initial consultation over Skype, and if we decide we want to go ahead, then we can just carry on with the conscious part of particularly with the Easy Loss Programme over Skype, and then the client only needs to come out into the practice for the actual hypnosis sessions themselves, and also offer the backup support at the end of therapy to carry on with the Easy Loss Programme, and people can do that over Skype as well if they wish.
So do you still enjoy chocolate?
I do, on the odd occasion that I actually want to eat it. I just actually don't really want to eat it very often, and that's the best thing about the Easy Loss Programme, because once you've taken the barriers away, that nothing's forbidden, there are no foods that you can't have, it's just some foods are more healthy for you than others, and you naturally start to be drawn towards the healthier options. So I eat chocolate anytime I want it. I just don't eat it very often because I don't want it very often, and that's the difference. When something's forbidden, it really makes it very appealing to you, and you're almost driven towards it to spite yourself, if you like. As soon as someone says to you, it's okay, you can have it any time you like, as long as you follow the guidelines that we give you, and all of a sudden, it's okay not to have it. You haven't got that overwhelming desire to have it. You don't feel bad about yourself.